You.
Yeah.
No.
Other leg. Put your bottom foot in.
My bottom foot. Oh, I barely got that foot in there.
Your bottom.
I'm not strong.
You're gonna climb your leg.
Help.
Try
No.
it? Yes. So when you're doing that, just bam! Turn! Yes! Climb up! Yourself, you got it, you got it! Yes! Yes! Yes!
Oh, God. Do it now. You don't got it.
Yes, across. Yes. So good. That is so clean. Now add a little baby spin. A little guy. That was good until you bent your leg. There. Yes. Yes. You're doing it. You did it.
Yes.
Keep going. Keep going. Yes. Yeah, take your time. I think what happens
It feels like I'm going 100. And I know I'm probably going like 3.